going to share this with everyone, and I think this is a great time, right? So in this video I just want to show you a little bit of an insight. Though I am an AI business strategist and we're still learning, but I feel there are a lot of business owners that need this right now, because I still do not want to believe that you are still paying graphic designer to help you design your social media flyer posts. So listen to this video very carefully, watch this video very carefully. If you know you have a social media manager, send the video to your social media manager. If you know you do not, and maybe you are still a solopreneur, or you are running your businesses yourself, this is something that you can do with just like within 2 to 3 minutes. So just like I'm doing now, maybe on a Monday morning or maybe on a Sunday evening, at your leisure, you dedicate at least 5, 10, 15 minutes to create at least all your social media posts for the week or for the month, depending on how dedicated you are, right? So in this video I want to show you how I've been able to use AI, simply free ChatGPT, not even the premium one, right? Simply free ChatGPT or the freemium version, how you can use it to create your social media posts, to design for your design or your social media copies. Maybe you market on WhatsApp, or you market on Instagram, or any of the marketplaces. You surely need a flyer, right? So in this video I'll be showing you how you can use AI to do just that, right? So let's go right in. First of all, I will show you my tab. This is a separate tab that I created. You see this strategy, I've been using it for over 8 to 9 months, and it has been really working. I even have a tab that I was using before, but it got full. Like I created copies, created flyers, till the tab or the folder got full, so I had to recreate another one. So this is the another one that I recreated, and this has been the design, beautiful designs that I've been creating with it. So you see the strategy, because I'm a graphic designer as well, so I know how to find my way out. I'm a graphic designer, so I know the strategies and every other thing. In fact, if you are used to my channel, you know that you see this thumbnail on my channel, right? Look at the error, look at the outcome. So I know what I want as a graphic designer. But if you're not a graphic designer, if you are a very keen business owner and you know what your business wants, like you know what your business wants, you know you know how to go about it, and you know what to tell ChatGPT, right? So because if you are the business owner that you know, maybe you have a social media manager, your social media manager will know the brand guidelines, the brand formats, the brand principles that you use for your businesses, right? But if you do not, if you are a solopreneur, you know how your social media designs have been looking, you know how it looks, or maybe you know how you want to upgrade it, right? And even if you do not, we have a platform, like a hub, that you can see to see mind-blowing designs that are even more than the ones that you have, right? So I really don't want to believe you are still paying a graphic designer. So if you are still paying a graphic designer, please stop that, at least for your social. I'm not saying that AI can handle all your designs, but there are some designs that AI can handle for you. You see this one, this design that is inside this design. As you can see, we have 2 designs here. This one I created it with Canva myself. In fact, it was like a freemium version that I used to create, like a packages, business name packages, not even for business name alone. I recreated it for company. I recreated it for NGO and all other services, right? So this is the flyer. What I did was just to like recreate a design inside the design. I'll show you how I did just that, right? So the prompt is something that we're going to explore in another video. So if you are interested, So if you're interested, you let me know. Just comment prompt in the comment section, then we'll create another video on how to use the prompt. But it's just the strategy we want to show you in this video, right? So yes, let's dive right into it. I'll show you. I'm trying to like see a design that we can start with. Right? So a lot of my social media, and that is why on my WhatsApp groups, my design do stand out, because I go for bold design. As you can see, what I saved the folder has bold flyer design, right? I'll still change it, but it's just to show you how bold and how simple my design. The tone is just the boldness. I really love the boldness, because the goal of the design is to attract sales, is to attract audience, is to be catchy. You understand? So I don't want something simple or minimalist. I want something bold, something shouty, because I advertise on WhatsApp and Instagram. So we are dealing with attention, we are dealing with audience. You understand? So yeah, this is it. This is a design right here. This is another design right here. This is another design right here. So this is another design. In fact, my social media manager is not even using Canva anymore. We had an issue before she started about how to go about designs, and now she has learned how to navigate her way perfectly well, like perfectly well. She does my design for me, not in the same folder, but in her own separate folder, and she has all the principles and all the formats that is needed. And one thing you need to know is that you see all this information you are seeing right here. You don't need to start imputing it in your prompt. You don't need to start imputing it in your prompt. There's something we call the system prompt or the master prompt that you give the folder. You give this folder, there's a master prompt on it, and even this whole ChatGPT, there's a master prompt on it that it can use to create copies. It has all my company necessary details, and in fact I even use it for my LinkedIn. That's a secret though. I use it for my LinkedIn, so it has all the details that I need, including my phone numbers, including our email, including our logo, our brand color, brand guideline, and other details that we need to create any flyer, any poster, or any design, right? So this one I use it to create a SCUML certificate, and this one I use it to create like a trademark flyer, and this one I use it to create a trademark flyer as well. So in June we did over 8 trademark for business owners, so I used that to create a flyer, and I think I attached a particular so this was a design that my SMM created, and I asked her to send it to me. So I attached it to ChatGPT to recreate a more bolder and more beautiful design to fit into the trademark that I want, not going outside of brand format. And you see how simple and how classic it is, even though it is still shouty. Look at this design too. Make your brand stand out, protect it with trademark, and get your SCUML certificate and all of that. This is another one. I did this one for Rep 360. I did this one for, and one thing about this is that you can, even if you are not a service based, because my brand is a service based one, so even if you are not a service based, even if you are a product based business owner, this is something that you can do. This is a strategy that you can apply and use for your business. So if you want more of this video, just comment prompt in the comment section, and this is something that I'm going to share with you for free. We are not attaching any money to it until we have like a more complex cost that we need to sell to you, right? So these are it here. These are the designs, and the strategy is what we are going to show you right now. Oh, we spent over 9 minutes on this. So yes, I want to recreate another design with the strategy. This is the strategy right here. This is a Pinterest. This is Pinterest. Everybody have access to Pinterest. Just go to your Google or whatever. Just type Pinterest, right? So what I searched for was Monday motivation or Monday flyer design. So I'm sure every brand needs a Monday flyer design, right? And you don't even need a graphic designer for that, because there are a lot of designs on this Pinterest that you can use to give you ideas, right? To give you ideas. So if you're not a graphic designer, like maybe formally you're not a graphic designer, or maybe a creative designer or attender, because I trust me, you need to learn how to navigate your creativity with this. So not all these designs that I'm seeing here that are catchy to me. I have few that are catchy to me that I feel, yes, I think I can use this. So there are some designs that I do not like this one. I do not like it. And even if you are not a graphic designer, I'm sure you know what I mean, right? So this one, I like this. I like this one. I like this. And one thing about this Pinterest is that if you click on one design, it will bring another related designs that are related to the ones that you click. Look at this one now. You see, if you check the format of this Monday, if you check the text format of this Monday, you see that it has a sort of like mirroring, right? It is replicating something like this Tuesday as well, something like this Tuesday here too, and something like this Monday, like a scattered one, a scattered text format. This one too, right? So just you can do like that for other design. So if you have a particular design that you like, and you click on it, it will bring designs that are related to that same design. And it's not even only about design. Maybe you are a product based person and you're looking for your like product something, it will bring it out. Or my own niche, the compliance niche, is not something that is very that competitive. So maybe you are in the real estate, or you are in the fashion business. Let's put fashion. You see that we will see designs that are related to this fashion of the thing, like this one here, like this one here, like this one here. You see different clothes, like this one here. So you can if you feel that your design, your niche or your industry is something that is very very popular, like people very saturated, people are on it, so you can see designs that are related to yours here. So one I want to do very quickly is the strategy. So let's say you've saved the design that you want to replicate. What you just need to do is come to this ChatGPT. I'm sure you know how to do the ChatGPT. So you create a new folder, click on add photos, then you add this maybe the design that you want to replicate. Let's say this one. I've designed like 2 designs today. I designed this today, and I think this one too. So let's replicate this one too for Emydigital. So what I need to just put to it is, let's us recreate this too, because it's already that's one of the benefits of master prompt or system prompts. If it already has your details, you don't need to be imputing prompt, or re-entering prompt all the time. Something that you can just type to it once and just give it one line and it will do the redesign for you, right? Just like copies too and every other thing. So what you just need to do to it is paste the design. And also you also need to be careful of sizes, right? I think ChatGPT is bad at resizing. You can use Grok to resize if it is bringing like a flyer format. I think we can do that in our next video if you are interested. Wow. This is so good, right? This is so good. So as you can see, this is a redesign, and I'm sure nobody will hold you up for this. No graphic designer will hold you up for this. That's okay, this is my own design. It is already redesigned, right? You still like an artist. This is stealing like an artist. Look at how beautiful and how very catchy the design is with just one little sentence, right? So if you're interested in a course, or maybe you're interested in videos like this, just click on comment in the comment section, just type prompt in the comment section, and we'll do more videos like this for you. If you like what you're saying, just click on the like button and make sure you share to your social media manager or share to whoever might need this. Thank you, and I'll see you in our next video.